Hello friends, today in this video I will tell you a bit about Akko, is a historic oil port city in northern Israel. The old city of Akko is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the oldest ports in the world. Acco offers a thrilling mix of archaeology, authentic Middle Eastern food, the blue Mediterranean Sea, and some beautiful markets around the old city. There are regular hourly trains leaving from the central of Israel. The train ride from Tel Aviv to Akko lasts about 1 hour and 20 minutes. The train station is walking distance from the old city of Akko. Now we are at the entrance of Crusader Night Halls. It's a famous attraction in the old city of Akko. The night halls were built by the Hospitallers, the Order of the Knight of the Hospital of St. John's, in the beginning of the 12th century. After the Crusader captured the city in 1104. The impressive hall is composed of 8 halls, 10 meter high and 450 square meter. It was constructed at the end of the Crusader period and it included a kitchen. Now I am in the old city market. You can find the lot of variety of homemade candy and try the variety of caramelized nut based sweet. every type of nuts and seed, all baked in delicious caramel. Now we are entering in Turkish Bazaar, the famous old city market. You can find here good hummus, shawarma, sweets, Arab cakes, lot of fish and more. So take an hour off and enjoy it. Now explore the city walls. Akko was a historic port city. During the 18th and 19th century, its Ottoman rulers fortified the city with a strong stone walls built around it. Today you can walk along the walls for beautiful view of Mediterranean Sea. Like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon. Tata.